Hello, good evening, and welcome. In today's session, you are all going to get the weekly guidance for the week from 27th of Feb to 5th of March, the weekly guidance. And today I'm giving you guidance in the three areas for all the sun signs, that is the career, the relationship, and the health. So, how it is going to be, and how you can take care of yourself in all the three areas. And this is going to be for all the sun signs, all the 12 sun signs. So, as you can see that today's and in between we will see if we have some time, then we will take certain very specific questions which I'll be drawn to. If not, then in general, I'm going to give for all the sun signs the career, relationship, and a health guidance. With all the three cards, first time I normally just give about one card, but today I'm giving you three cards with the three areas of all the sun signs. So we will just wait for some more people to join, and then we will start the session. By the time, if you can, uh, just start sharing and liking this video, and then we will start a session in a moment. And apart from that, yes, I also have one more. Hello, Sahil. Please type your sun sign here. Okay, so please type your sun sign, and then you are going to get a career, relationship, and uh, health related, the three guidance for the week 27 to 5th of March. Hello, Bhavna. Okay, I'm sorry, but I keep repeating this into my sessions that I do not take any pregnancy related questions, any legal related matters, and any serious health issues. Okay, so but however, you can just type your sun sign, or you can just wait, because we'll be going in a sequence from Aries, starting from Aries, and then one by one all the sun signs will see the three areas of guidance, that is career, relationship, and health. So I stay request everyone to please type your sun sign. So whichever the most sun sign, I might even may not go with the sequence as well. I might even just go with, as the maximum number of. Yes, Yamini has come with the Capricorn. Thank you, Yamini ji. Let's see who else comes from there. So Imran, you know that what is your sun sign. So please type your sun sign. Anjali ji, please type your sun sign. Today, everyone is going to get according to their sun sign, and they're going to get Taurus. Thank you. And they're going to get three areas of guidance today, which normally I do not give. Yeah, thank you for Virgo. The sun signs and the areas you are going to get a guidance for the upcoming week is: number one is the career, second one is the relationship, third one is the health. Okay. So since we already have Virgo, Taurus, who else? And also, guys, please do not forget to sharing this video. And I'll also make a very important announcement today. Leo, very good. Who else is there? So where do we start with? Let's see, where do we start with? Okay, Taurus. Yes, I got it. Taurus, Virgo, Leo, all the single ones. Capricorn. Okay. So let's start with Leo, because Imran was the first one who came in. So Imran, I'm starting with Leo. Yes, Sahil Reshi. Yes. So let's get started with Leo. Taurus, okay, fine. We will take Taurus next. So first is Leo, next is Taurus. Okay, so let's get started with Leo. So for Leo, let's see what all the cards comes in. Okay, the card for career, card for relationship, card for health. And guys, keep sharing, please. Please keep sharing. Let all people get benefited out of it. Okay, wonderful. The career, okay, the relationship, and the health card. Okay. So the first, starting with Leo. The first card, Leo, for you for the career, the next week is the patience card. What this card guides you for your career, that if you are trying to achieve something which you are making it very, very in a hurry, okay, just hold on. You need to have some patience. You will get those results, but it will take some time. So just have some patience and slow down your speed or your aggressiveness, okay, towards the career. That is the career guidance for Leo. Now, the relationship guidance for Leo is the courage card, okay. So there would be a chances when you might have a little bit of fighting kind of, or a very, very difficult situation in your relationship, but just be careful and understand that that too will pass. So you will have to go through that, because after that situation there is something which is which you may like, or uh, this is very, very fruitful situation, or this might even turn out to be into a blessing as well for you. Okay, so just be careful. And for the in the relationship, Leos. Now coming to your health about Leo in the next week is the turning in card. Okay, this card says that take care of your emotions. There could be chances that because as we saw that the career guidance has come as a patience, so there could be aggressiveness in your emotions, something to achieve like as early as yesterday. Okay. So just calm down and focus on your emotional health. Probably you can try some meditations or calmness practices. So that is Leo for the career, relationship, and health. Now let's see who is next. Is we have seen is the Taurus. Okay, fine. So now let's draw the card for Taurus. Uh, Anjali Sharad. Okay, Anjali Sharad, please type your sun sign. I'm giving you relationship, health, and career for all the sun signs today. Please type your sun sign. And if you are missing it, just please, I know you can go through this recording. So right now we have completed Leo. Now we are moving on to Taurus. Let's see what are the cards for Taurus. For career, wow, wonderful, amazing. The relationship and the health, the most amazing cards. Okay, I think till now these cards are the most amazing cards for Taurus. And let's see what is the guidance for you, Taurus, in your career. In your career, you have got a experiencing card. Okay, this card guides you that you are likely to get a new job, or you are going to get some sort of achievement, the fulfillment of the the inner feeling of the fulfillment, and that you get when you achieve something in your life. So in your career, if you have been looking for some sort of promotion, or any kind of awards, or anything which will fulfill you emotionally, okay, something which might be very, very good for your career, which is upcoming in the next week. Okay, coming to your relationship, the another beautiful card is completion. This card guides that if there has been any small, tiny, bigger issues, okay, which has been quite a long time into your relationship. And when I say relationship, it can be any relationship, not necessarily only the love relationship or a husband and a wife. It can be son and the mother as well, son and a father as well, or daughter, or with the children, anything. So in general, if any such issues are existing in relationship, they are likely to get completed. That means you are going to get a solution for that issue. This is one part of it. Second part of the relationship guidance for you is that you might even start a new relationship as well. So, because when one thing is getting closed and then another thing has to start. So, it might be a completion of an old issue or starting of a new relationship. So, that is Taurus for your relationship guidance. Sorry. And the most important, the most amazing card for you is the health. Okay. So it's going to be perfectly fine if you have been expecting any treatment which you have been taking. So you might even get a good news about improvement on your health as well. Okay. Or you might even find another consultant or another specialist, who will give you the treatment for your health as well. So that is the guidance for you, Taurus. I am just repeating it that this is your career and this is your relationship and this is your health. All right. Thank you. And I request if you have not shared and liked this video, I don't see any like or sharing happening. Please. And let's see who is next. So which sun sign we should take next? We are just going with, and I'm seeing that, okay, Virgo. Okay, so we can take Virgo. All right. Sunil Pathak, please type your sun sign. We are going to get Sunil Patnaik, please type your sun sign here. Yes, we will take Ankita ji. I will take your question. Just give me a while. I'm just seeing that which sun sign we can take. I think I'm seeing the Virgo next here, so we'll take the Virgo. Okay. Let's see what it holds for. I'm seeing only one like, and there are so many people here. At least you can like and share this video, please. I can only request you. That rest is all your choice. So the next cards are the Virgo. Okay, Virgo, and Virgo. Okay. So one of the another beautiful card for Virgo in career. Anjali ji, have you given? Yes, you have given your Virgo sun sign. So yes, we are starting with Virgo now. So Virgo, for your career, the card is the existence card. Okay, the existence card shows that put a little extra effort in your career and stay focused. What is your priority? Okay, what is happening is you are also, getting carried away with people's advice. This is not the time for that. Okay, stay away from the distractions this week and stay focused, and then you will feel that the sense of achievement that you have achieved something. Stay focused on your priority. That is the career guidance for you, Virgo. Now coming to the relationship guidance for Virgo, the card is for you, the beyond illusion. Okay, see, the situation in your relationship is you are not seeing the actual reality into it. Okay, what is happening? You are hearing something from here, something from there. You are cooking your own mind, and then you are making your own conclusions. No, this is the time. Deep dive into, get into the conversation, get clarity about what exactly is happening, what exactly is the situation, and then find out the solution. This is not the time to just play around here and there in your relationship. Okay. Now, coming to your health, yes, it relates to the situation in relationship, that is the isolation. This means that you might have even certain situations where you might feel like cheated, or you might even feel like some sort of a guilt, like a lot of anxiety among you. So please take care of that. It's okay to find out some other source where you can vent out. because once you do that, you will feel very, very relaxed. So the health guidance for you here comes is that if you are feeling a little bit of anxiety or any sort of issues which are bothering you a lot, just talk to other people. Okay, that is the guidance for you, Virgo. The relationship, the career, and the health. Now let's move on to the next one. Let's see who has added here anything new. सुनील पाठक जी, आज का तो आपके पास कुंडली नहीं है, ठीक है, कुंडली तो मैं भी नहीं बनाता हूं, लेकिन आप मुझे अपना सन साइन तो बताइए. Okay, so with that, let's get take the question for Ankita ji. Okay, Ankita has got a new offer, and can I get a guidance what it holds for you in the future? Okay, all right. The cards are for Ankita's job offer. Okay, okay, all right. Ankita ji, the overall guidance for you is that you have got a miser card. Okay, so इस जॉब में आपको पैसा तो मिलेगा, लेकिन थोड़ा सा सोच समझ के खर्च करना पड़ेगा. बहुत मतलब क्या कहते हैं, थोड़ा सा डोनेशन टाइप भी आपको थोड़ा सा बढ़ाना पड़ेगा, लेकिन पैसा तो मिलेगा. दूसरा क्या है, जो ग्रोथ अपॉर्चुनिटीज है आपकी नई जॉब में, उसको थोड़ा सा टाइम लगेगा. ठीक है, मतलब जैसे कहते हैं ना कि आपको थोड़ा सा अपने आप को अपग्रेड करना पड़ेगा, थोड़ा सा पुश करना पड़ेगा, थोड़ी पावर लगानी पड़ेगी, एंड इन दैट केस ओनली यू विल बी एबल टू ग्रो इन दैट न्यू जॉब. Now the third card for you is the nothingness card. That means this is the most beautiful card. You have the opportunity in this job to create your own path. So if you just keep that, the money part a little, मतलब थोड़ा सा side में रख दे, and then if you upgrade yourself, you have like you can create your own path into this job. So this is the guidance as of now I can give you. Thank you, Ankita ji. If you have not liked and shared, please like and share this video, and let's move on to the next sun sign. Where is Taurus? We have done already. Yes, Taurus we have done. Leo, Virgo we have done. We have someone Capricorn. Yes, Yamini ji. यामिनी जी आप हैं, एक बार हेलो तो बोलिए. All right. So we are taking Capricorn. The fourth one. Let's see the Capricorn. I'm so sorry. Before I take the Capricorn, there is one more announcement for everyone, that if you would like to learn these beautiful cards, the Osos and Tarot cards, okay, I am offering the enrollment for the free, for the basic, the introductory session. Okay. Yes, it is going to be free, and the introductory session, as you are seeing, Dipti Agarwal, the Leo is already been, we have already given the guidance, so please go through the recording. So I was talking about the introductory session of the Osos and Tarot card, which I have started launching on this Sunday. Sunday, the timing is 6 to 7:30 p.m. Okay, and this enrollment introductory session is completely free. So in case if you are interested to learn this wonderful Oshos and Tarot, only Oshos and Tarot, again, I'm just saying that, okay, you can enroll for free, and I will send you the invite, the personal invite for the session on the Sunday, 6 to 7:30 p.m., 1.5 hours. Yes, 1.5 hours. It's a free introductory session I'm doing. So all of you who are interested to learn this wonderful tool, and for your self development and making difference in people's life, you can send me an WhatsApp. So how you can enroll is that in this post, there is in the description there is a WhatsApp number or there is a WhatsApp link. So just send me an WhatsApp with your name and your city name and say that you want to enroll for the introductory session, and I will send you the invite. Okay, so that is how it is going to work. So join me. This is going to be a very exciting and a completely new perspective you are going to get in this introductory session. Okay, and with that, let's move on to the next one. The Capricorn. The cards are already been drawn. So let's see. I don't see much of the likes here. Why don't you guys just like and share this video at least? Keep sharing because sharing, returns to you. So tomorrow, if you go live or you do something for people, you will also be rewarded. All right. So let's see. Yamini ji, are you there? Get ready. All the Capricorns. Wow. Wonderful. Career, relationship, and okay, health. So all the Capricorn, the career card for you is the playfulness card. Okay. This card indicates for your career is that be careful. Don't take your job or your clients or anything in your work related for granted. Okay? बहुत भारी पड़ेगा. Yes, लापरवाही, because this shows that this person is completely careless. So that means please take care of your career or your business. Give attention to it. It requires. Coming to your relationship, yes, there could be a situation which is very could be indecisive. किसी बात को लेके मतलब ये करें या नहीं करें, वो करें या ये करें, ऐसा कुछ सिचुएशन हो सकता है. कुड भी ये भी हो सकता है शायद आप मतलब ये हो जाए कि मतलब क्या करें यार, इसको छोड़ देते हैं. बट ऐसा मत करिएगा, छोड़ना कोई सोल्यूशन नहीं है. जो भी सोल्यूशन आपको एमिकेबली दोनों पार्टनर्स को लगे उसको आप करिएगा जरूर. ओके, बिकॉज वही इस वीक का आपके लिए गाइडेंस है. सो द गाइडेंस फॉर यू इज दैट डोंट अवॉइड एनी indecisive situation in your relationship. Find the solution and move ahead. Okay. Third thing is about your health. The creator card has come for your health, and this clearly indicates that there might be a little bit of anger in your behavior or aggressiveness. Second thing, take care of your abdomen area, the lower abdomen area, or any area which is related to our stomach. Okay, just be careful for your eating habits or your food or drinks. Okay, there might be chances that it might even give impact any of your area. So just be careful with that. So that's the Capricorn for your guidance for this week. And let's move on. Let's see who is the next one. हेलो परिनिका जी, गुड इवनिंग. परिनिका जी, आपका सनसाइन बताइए. आज करियर, रिलेशनशिप एंड हेल्थ, ऑल थ्री एरियाज ऑफ गाइडेंस आर फ्री. तो बताइए आपका सनसाइन क्या है. अगर हो गया है तो ठीक है, नहीं तो फिर मैं बताता हूँ. यस, कंसेरियस विल कम टू नेक्स्ट. सुनीता जी, एक बार जस्ट लेट मी नो इफ यू हैव liked and shared and followed my page. I don't see much of the likes. Sagittarius. Okay. So, Parinika ji, your request came first, so we will take Sagittarius and then Sunita, the Cancerius. Okay. So let's take the Sagittarius. Parinika ji, आपने अपना एक आपका न्यू ईयर रेजोल्यूशन था, मैं आपको याद दिलाऊं. या आपको याद आ गया. Okay, Sagittarius, we are taking the three cards here. The career, let's see. Wow. Relationship, yes. Health, okay. All right. अच्छा, तो परिनिका जी, I want to remind you that you promised me that you are going to write a review for me. And that was, I remember the 1st of January 2021, the yearly guidance live session. If you want to remind yourself, you can go back to my live videos and find out that. In the comments, you will find that. Okay. Anyway. Okay, let's see what is the guidance for Sagittarius this week for your career. So one of the beautiful card is the receptivity. So you will get new opportunities in terms of growth in your workplace, in your career, or in the company, or in your business. There will be opportunities coming in. Those might even come with like may not be very, very clear, or you might even see that whether I should take this offer or not. Trust me, just go ahead and accept that because that holds the tremendous amounts of blessings for you. So, Sagittarius, don't ignore any opportunity of growth, either a new offer or offer to work on a new project or a shifting or anything new. Okay, just stay focused and accept that. That is the guidance for you for the career, Sagittarius. Now, let's move on to the relationship guidance for Sagittarius. So the card has come for you is the for the relationship. It is postponement card, and the support card is the laziness. So in the relationship, there is something which Sagittarius you are postponing the decision. Okay, you are just thinking that कि ऐसा हो जाएगा वैसा हो जाएगा और ये कर लेंगे but actually आप कुछ कर नहीं रहे. So for you the guidance is that act on now. नहीं तो क्या होगा पता है जैसे जैसे जो बच्चा होमवर्क नहीं करता है कि अच्छा ठीक है टीचर क्या करेगा तो बाद में उसको पता चलता है जब पहली बार उसको छड़ी पड़ती है ना तो वैसा कुछ हो जाए आपको अगर शायद छड़ी खा के बहुत दिन हो गए तो रिलेशनशिप के इश्यूज जो है उसको आप टालते रहिए और नहीं तो फिर उसको रिजॉल्व करिए बहुत लंबा खींचना अच्छी बात नहीं है ठीक है तो जस्ट फोकस ऑन योर रिलेशनशिप इश्यूज ओके Now, the most important Sagittarius for you is the health. Okay, the fighting card. That means आपको लगता है आपका हेल्थ बिल्कुल ठीक है लोगों को लगता है आप तो बहुत सेफ हैं तंदुरुस्त हैं बट ऐसा है नहीं ठीक है थोड़ा सा मेंटल टेम्परेचर कम रखिए बिकॉज व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इज बिकॉज ऑफ दैट you are just boiling the issue which you are carrying in your mind is very tiny but you have made it so bigger in your mind and that time is not there that issue is already in the past but you are still holding to it okay that is impacting your health and that is making you aggressiveness वो कहते हैं ना थोड़ा सा चिड़चिड़ापन हो जाता है मतलब हर बात पे छोटी छोटी बात पे गुस्सा आता है तो ये सब चीजें होंगी तो इस सब चीजों से अगर बचना चाहते हैं so just take care of your emotions and let go of what you are holding in your mind. Okay. So that's the guidance for you, Sagittarius, for your career, for your relationship, and for your health. And if it resonates with you, please type in some comments. Okay. Yes, right. Parinika is saying right. Okay. One more thing, I would like to again repeat that as you are seeing on the screen. Okay. You can enroll for I am starting the introductory session for Osho and Tarot learning. So if you are interested, you can send me on WhatsApp with your city and with your name and your city name, and I will send you the invite for the Sunday session which I am doing, and that will be done on a webinar and it is completely free. The introductory session is completely free. And Bhavna ji, I will take your question. Please type the sun sign here. Hello Kavita and hello Ritika. How will be my relationship with my parents after my marriage as I go on to love marriage and my parents are not really supportive? Okay, Ritika ji, I will certainly take your question. After, let's see which. Oh yeah, I committed for who was that next? Uh, Somebody. Just a minute. Which was the next sun sign? Yes, Cancer, yes. Sunita ji, are you there? Cancer, yes. Let's see what this week holds for Cancer, yes. All right. The career guidance, the relationship, and the health. Wow, amazing. So, you know why I'm saying amazing for the Cancerius? Because uh, this sun sign is the most luckiest in this week. And I'll tell you the reason why. Let me show you the cards and then I'll tell you why it is so. Okay. By the time, why don't you just keep on like and sharing this video as well? Thank you, Parinika ji. Thank you so much. Okay, so the Cancerius, the card, the career guidance for you is the card is the inner voice card. Okay, this card says that you have certain confusion at your workplace, in your career, or in a business. It might be with your partner, it might be with your boss, or even it might be with your colleagues. Okay, so get the clarity. That is very, very important to get the clarity about the situation which you are facing at a workplace. Of course, this might even turn out to be in your favor, but it is still don't assume. Take ahead, be proactive, and take that step to clarify the issues with anyone which you have in your career or in your business in this next week. Okay, that is the guidance for you. Guidance for the Cancerius for the career. Now, why I said Cancerius is the most luckiest sun sign this week is because the master itself has appeared in your relationship. So the guidance for you is very, very clear. Any issues which you are holding or if you're finding it difficult, those are getting blessings from the master itself. That means it is going to be settled down and be, or you might even find the most easiest solution which you may not have even think of. Okay. So for your relationship, as such, in general, there won't be any issues or any difficulties you might be facing in the next week. Now, with that reminds me that on this Sunday, 28th of February, I have started the enrollment and I'm doing an introductory Osho Zen Tarot learning session. Okay, and this introductory session is completely free. So you can enroll for this session just by sending me an WhatsApp. The link is there in this description of this post. You can just send me that WhatsApp with your name and with your city name as well. And then I will send you the webinar link and you can join me on Sunday from 6 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. If it sounds too good, yes, Sunita, you can just go to this description uh, of this post and then click on the WhatsApp link and just say that type your name and your city and say that you want to enroll for the session on Sunday, and then I will send you the invite. Okay, so with that, let's move on to Cancerius is about your health. Okay, the health card for you is the exhaustion card. Okay, this means that you are trying to do too much. Okay, beyond your capabilities. Just take care of it because end of the day you are getting tired and some of the work which you are doing, whether it is mental work or whether it is your the pressure from the top the, your top officials or you are also taken in certain additional work which may not be required, but still you are doing that. Okay, stop doing that, find some time for yourself in the next week. Okay, otherwise you might even, if you like this phase, all the best. If you don't, then stop doing what is not required. Okay, and don't pressurize yourself to do anything. So that is the Cancerius for the week 27 to 29. 27th Feb to 5th of March. All right, let's move on. Let me see how many of you have actually shared, or I don't see much of the likes here. So, who is the next one? Bhavna ji, you have not given your sun sign. So today, Yamini ji is so excited. Hi, Kavita. Kavita, can you just type your sun sign and we'll see if it is covered, or you want me to cover, or otherwise I'll move on with my choice of the next sun sign is Libra. Why Libra? Because I have not seen any new comment about the new sun sign, so I thought to that is my sun sign as well. So I thought, okay, let me see what the next week holds for all the Librans. Okay, Scorpio. So fine, Scorpions next after Libra. All right. Priyanka Arora, you want to pursue a chartered accountant course? Will I become CA? Okay. Priyanka Arora, first of all, please type your sun sign because I will give you the career guidance and I will draw one specific card for you. If you have liked and shared and just confirm me that, I will draw one card for you and we'll see that how this course or how the career of being a chartered accountant looks alike for you. Okay. I will take that card for you. So, and by the time you also type your sun sign. Okay, let's move on with Libra, and that's me. Any Librans here or just watching? Please comment here. Okay, okay, all right, great, very good. Yeah. So all the Librans here, including me. I wish anyone else could have done the reading for me, but yes, for the Librans, the card for you is the change card. So Librans, the change card indicates that expect or make some efforts to change your course of action. If not, this is the right time to change your career, change your project, change your house, uh, change your company, or even the interdepartmental changes. If any opportunity comes, or even change some of your old patterns of learning, or change the course of your learning, add something new to it, whatever relates to your career. Okay, make some change, or the change will happen, and then accept it. Okay, so that is the guidance. Sagittarius, yes, Sagittarius, we have already done that. So we have already done that. So Priyanka, you can look into this video. Okay, we have done the Sagittarius. And regarding your question, yes, I will take your question. Once I take, okay, fine. After the Librans, I will take your question. Don't worry. I'll just hang on to it. Okay, the second card for the Librans is the relationship is the most amazing card, the participation. Okay. So all the Librans in your relationship, please be proactive, be sharing, and be open to your partners, to your all the relationship, whichever you are holding with. And this card is not just with for the partners sharing, okay? Because as we all know that we have a variety of relationships in our life. It is friends, daughter, children, son, cousins, whatnot, with everyone. At least be sharing, be humble, and then you see that how the entire umbrella of your relationship will grow like this flower which you are seeing on the back side of it. Okay? So be proactive, be participative, be sharing. That is the guidance Librans for you for the week 27 to 5th of March. Now let's look at the health. Okay, the morality card. Okay, and the additional card for morality is the integration card. Okay, So regarding your health, okay, take certain additional uh, take certain additional advices. Okay, there could be situations कि किसी डॉक्टर ने एक अपना पर्सपेक्टिव दे दिया, just don't go with that and don't apply your own brain into it. Okay, just take the advice of others as well, and then you decide. Okay, don't be just rigid. And अगर आपको कोई ये सलाह भी देता है कि अच्छा चलो एक बार इनसे भी मिल लो, एक बार उस डॉक्टर से भी एक बार मिल लीजिए, दैट इज द एडवाइस फॉर यू. दूसरी बात है, in your thoughts, in your behaviors, okay, which is another, the most important source of impact our 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 internal health, our physical health, is our behavior. So be little flexible in your behavior, in your approach. Okay, अगर कोई कुछ कहता है तो उसकी भी सुनिए, हमेशा आपकी नहीं चलती है. So that is the guidance for you, Libra. Yes, of course, it applies to me as well. So with that, yes, the career, relationship, and the health guidance for Librans. Now let's move on to Sagittarius. We have already done, but I committed that one card guidance to the guys. Just give me a moment. All right. So Priyanka Arora for the career guidance as chartered accountant, how it will be. So Priyanka, I'm just seeing your guidance that how your journey would be once since you have opted as a chartered accountant career. Okay, will you become it or not? That completely depends upon you. But how the career will be? Yes, of course. All right. So the guidance for you is go with the flow. So that means you have chosen a right career and this suits you. Okay. Second thing is you'll have to make an extra effort into this course when you have taken this, the chartered accountant. You'll have to make additional course of, like these certain steps. Could be जो कोर्स में है उसके अलावा भी आपको थोड़ा सा पढ़ाई करना पड़ सकता है. But overall, in the long run, if you ask me, you are going to be a trend setter into your career. And you understand what I mean is the trend setter. Why I'm saying this? Because this is a rebel card and this does something different. Okay. And then of course the ripeness cards. So you will enjoy the fruits after you have completed your course. In the course of your journey, yes, you will enjoy the prosperity and all the efforts what you have been putting, you will be rewarded. So this is the guidance for you, Priyanka Arora. You can you have a choice and you can also put a little extra effort to clear your exam. Okay, rest the choice is yours. Thank you so much. With that, let's move on to the next one. Okay, which is, yes, the Scorpio. All right. Who was there? The Scorpion. Somebody made Scorpio Kavita. Okay, Kavita, are you there? Just confirm me here, and then we'll take your Scorpion. So let's see how the next week is going to be for Scorpions. And of course, I would just want to remind, uh, please send or enroll for the Osho Jan Tarot introductory session. I am doing this on this Sunday, 6 p.m. to 7:30 p.m., 1.5 hours, completely free. And uh, you will also learn a variety of other things into the session apart from just the basics. So I am just doing it, and trust me, this is going to be a journey. Okay, this is not just going to end with learning of the cards. So I am not charging you any energy exchange here right now. So please send me a WhatsApp on the link in the description box with your name and with your city name and say that you want to enroll for the session, and I'll invite you for that. And I will meet you on Sunday evening at 6 p.m. All right. Thank you, Priyanka Arora. Thank you so much. So with that, let's move on to the Scorpions. What is the guidance for the career for the Scorpion, career, relationship, and health? Wow. Okay. Mm-hmm. I'm just taking a minute to drink some water. All right. So the Scorpions, the card for you in the career is the ordinariness. Okay. This card guides you for the next week is आपके पास जो भी जॉब है, आप जो भी काम करते हैं उसमें खुश रहिए. जस्ट बी हैप्पी विथ योर जॉब बिकॉज अभी के टाइम में बहुत लोगों के पास जॉब भी नहीं है. सो एटलीस्ट आपके पास है. स्टे फोकस्ड, उसमें खुश रहने की कोशिश करिए. ठीक है. दैट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इसलिए कि आपका टाइम थोड़ा सा मतलब स्लो चल रहा है, तो थोड़ा सा अप्रिसिएशन करेंगे. ये सोचिए कि लोगों के जिनके पास कुछ नहीं है उससे तो ज्यादा अच्छे ही हैं आप. सो जस्ट कीप फोकसिंग योर career and appreciating your job, okay, that at least you have a job, and try to be happy in your career or your business. जो भी आप काम करते हैं अपने अर्निंग के लिए खुश रहने की कोशिश करिए. With that, let's move on to the relationship guidance for Scorpion. Slowing down, okay. The guidance for you is that थोड़ा सा एग्रेसिवनेस कम करिए अपने रिलेशनशिप में. सेकेंड थिंग इज, अगर आप इफ यू हैव बीन थिंकिंग ऑफ गेटिंग मैरिड और गेटिंग इनटू अ रिलेशनशिप या उसको एक नेक्स्ट लेवल पे लेके जाना चाह रहे हैं, आप अगर ये सोच रहे हैं कि हमारे रिलेशनशिप के इश्यूज जल्दी से जल्दी खत्म हो जाए, मतलब हम लेट्स डू दिस हियर, कल ये कर लेंगे परसों वो कर लेंगे, इट्स टाइम टू टेक सम रेस्ट. प्रोबेबली रीप्लानिंग इज रिक्वायर्ड हियर. आप जो चाहते हैं वो आपको मिलेगा in the relationship, especially for the next week. The guidance for you is to just slow down the thoughts of the speed of your thoughts and the speed of your imagination. Rest yourself physically as well as a little bit of mentally as well. ठीक है. You will achieve, आपको जो चाहिए वो मिलेगा. Okay, that is no doubt about it, because this is the indication of the positivity here. So थोड़ा सा स्लो डाउन. Okay, जल्दीबाजी मत करिए. Now coming to your health, Scorpion, the politics card. You know, uh, we all know the nature of uh, any politicians, but here your health is playing with you. Okay, you are feeling that you are completely all right from within. मुझे कोई problem नहीं है. Have your health check done. पॉसिबिलिटी है, कुछ है जो आपको दिख नहीं रहा है. ठीक है. तो एक बार कंसल्टेशन कर लीजिए. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि आप में कोई ट्रीटमेंट आप ले रहे हैं एंड यू इन दैट ट्रीटमेंट इफ यू आर फीलिंग दैट यस इट इज इम्प्रूविंग मी एंड वेल, मे नॉट बी द केस. सो जस्ट गेट कंसल्टेशन डन. अगर कोई भी एलिमेंट है, किसी भी तरह की आपको तकलीफ है, गेट इट डन, द कंसल्टेशन डन विद द डॉक्टर. Okay, don't avoid it. So that is the guidance for Scorpions. Now for all the three, now let's move on. How many of we are left with? Okay, so we are left with Aquarius, Pisces, and Gemini. Okay, so let's move on to the Gemini. So the career guidance for Gemini, the relationship guidance for Gemini, and the health guidance. So let's see. Okay, career, relationship. Wow. health. Okay, so the career guidance for Gemini for you is the moment to moment card. What this card says that again, I don't know which sunshine I said, but this is the career. If you take a step by step, be careful. Okay, there is a growth opportunities as well into this into your career for the next week. However, you need to be alert about it. You should be aware about it. And when you are aware about, you get to know the moment you get the opportunity and you grab it and then you grow. So the guidance for you is very, very simple. Be alert about the opportunities around you. Okay. So don't miss that. With that, let's move on to all the Geminis for the relationship guidance. The relationship guidance is the card for you is the past life card. Okay. See, still possibility in the next week is that in your relationship with anyone, there could be जो कुछ पुरानी बातें होती हैं वो आपके डिस्कशन में आ जाएंगी and that might be even creating another situation. So just be careful. There's no point in discussing the past in any relationship or in any time. Okay, just stay focused on with some good memories and of those times and the situation, and then just move on. So there's no point in fighting. So if any situation comes कि जहाँ पे थोड़ा सा डिस्कशन में कुछ अच्छा तो आपने मेरे साथ ये किया था नहीं नहीं आपने मेरे साथ ये किया था उस समय ऐसे बोला था all that please avoid that. Okay, there is no point. और वैसे सिचुएशन आ सकती है so just be careful to avoid those such fighting situations as well because of the old issues. Health is the transformation card. Okay, this is the high time to look at your emotional, your mental, your physical, any kind of health. Please take care of it. Get the review done. अगर आपने रिव्यू नहीं किया है तो कोई टेस्ट करा लीजिए कोई असेसमेंट करा लीजिए but there is a need of to take care of all the entire body, entire mental health, physical health, emotional health. It is required. आप सोचिए कि आपको कौन से हेल्थ की ज्यादा प्रायोरिटी आपकी है और उस हिसाब से आप उसका ट्रीटमेंट लीजिए बट you need to take care of do something about for your health the next week. Okay, so that's the guidance for Gemini. Now let's move on to the next. The last two is we are coming to the Pisces. Okay, so let's see what is the guidance for Pisces in the next week. And before that, I again want to remind all the viewers who are watching right now or uh, who will be watching this video after the show as well. Please enroll for the session on 28th of February. If you want to learn this amazing tool of Osho Zen Tarot, transform your life and make a difference in other people's life, and want to also open one new source of income which you can do it anytime, anywhere. Okay. Enroll for the introductory session. There is no energy exchange for the introductory session. So please enroll. And to enroll, you need to just send me an WhatsApp with your name and your city name, and just say that you want to enroll for the introductory tarot session, and I will be sending you the invite for Sunday. So with that, let's move on to the Pisces, and then we will do the Aquarius as a last sun sign. So let's look at wow, amazing Pisces for your career. Wow, for your relationship and for your health as well. Okay. So Pisces for you, the career guidance card is the source card. Okay. That means the good news for your career that you will get a growth opportunity or you might get a new job offer in the next week. For the business people, this might be getting of a new contract and a very, very big contract, not a small one. Okay. Which might be, I mean, which will, even change the entire state of your mind, entire state of your business. It can be anything. And similarly for the career as well, it might even change you the complete transformation which you have been thinking of doing it for quite a long time. You might even get the the offer for your choice or anything other opportunities within your career, and that would be the good to start with. So also, if you have been thinking of starting any new projects uh, in your business or launching of any of the new services, anything new the next week, it says that yes, you can go ahead because the source card has appeared. Now, the most amazing card for your for Pisces for your relationship is sharing. So it's very, very simple. Keep sharing your thoughts, your emotions with your partner, with your the person whom you want to improve your relationship. Okay, keep sharing your thoughts and your emotions. That is the guidance for you for the Pisces in your relationship. Now let's take Pisces for your health is the burden card. That means there is something which is you are carrying on your head. Okay. And most of the time, what we carry in our head is what we hear from the other people. Okay. Not from your own mind. Okay. It has been like something like been imposed. Stay away from those thoughts. Do some meditations. Okay. And use your own intelligence to find out the solution or to find out the way. Okay. So that is the guidance for you, Pisces. And with that, now we have come to the last sun sign for today is the Aquarius. And yes, after that, Aries as well. So let's see what is the guidance for the Aquarius here today. Aquarius and Aquarius, the career, okay, relationship, yes, and then there is the health consciousness, okay. So the career guidance for you, Aquarius, is the silence card. Okay. See, the issues which every career, every business has. Okay. You cannot find a solution till you stay focused and think about it deeply, analyze the situation. So this is the time if you are not growing in your career or your business is not doing well, or if you are feeling that you have been stuck into your career or आपका business का क्या करें, anything, okay, this is the time to just take a break. इसको कहते हैं ना ठंडे दिमाग से सोचना, मतलब think coolly. थोड़ा ठंडे दिमाग से सोचिए कि क्या कर सकते हैं. You will find a solution. So that is the next week is for you to think about your career or your business very, very coolly. Okay. And you will find a solution how you can overcome from your current situation. With that, let's move on for your relationship guidance, Aquarius. It is the mind card. Okay. See, the issue in your relationship is not that big, but your calculative mind has made it so big with your own perception, with your own thoughts, and you are still fueling it. Please stop doing that. Stop doing that. You will end up with uh, you know like 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 emotionally drained and physically low, energy is low. If you want to do that, I wish you all the very best. If not, stop doing that overthinking. Talk to the person जिसके साथ जो भी issues है आप बात कर लीजिए and then get it resolved. Okay. So Aquarius, for you, the guidance is very, very simple. That stop overthinking in your relationship. With that, let's move on to the uh, the health guidance for you, Aquarius, is the consciousness card. Okay, this card says that if there has been any element or you have been feeling very, very anxiety among you, within you, okay, it's a time to stay just calm down. Okay, you will get a clarity about your situation. अगर शायद आप कोई diagnosis वगैरह अगर आप अभी तक आपने नहीं कराया है, so अगर आपको कोई डॉक्टर अगर एडवाइस करते हैं तो वो करा लीजिए. उससे आपकी health conditions will become clear about it. Okay? So you will get a clarity about कि आपके अंदर क्या चल रहा है. और अगर कोई mental thoughts है, अगर कोई worries है आपकी which are not allowing you to think beyond, again as I said, apply this technique of keeping silence, and then you get a clarity about it. Okay? So with that, we are reaching to the Aries. Okay. So all the Aries, I am not seeing if anyone who is liking this, but yes, the Aries is the last sun sign for today, and then we will see if any question is there, and then we will take. With that, let's move on to Aries for their career. Okay. All right. Relationship and the health as well. All right. So the Aries, the career guidance card for you is the trust card. Okay. Now the trust is one word which exists and which can turn around any situation. Why I'm saying this? There is a book, The Speed of Trust. Okay. Stephen M.R. Covey, the son of Stephen Covey, who has written an entire book of Speed of Trust, and he has given the situations, okay, in the life situation, in the organizations, in everywhere, okay, how the trust has transformed the entire situation into the favor of the person who has expressed the trust. So this is the time for you to trust your own work, your own job, your own career, or your own people whom you work with. Yes, trust me. Again, I'm saying that this is the time to show your trust to others. Trust even to yourself as well. What you are doing is right. And then you see the kind of rewards you will get. Okay, these are the rewards here. So it is just expressing of a trust and believing that what you are doing is right. All the people who are doing for you, they are also supporting, they are doing it for you. With that, the another card for you in the relationship, Aries is the we are the world. Okay. अपना हाथ आगे बढ़ाइए, because in relationship it's always two way, it cannot be one way. The guidance for you is that if you take one step towards your partner, towards your relationship with whomever you want to improve, that person will walk with two steps with you. And that is how the team bonding happens. So just show that, yes, Ritika, I'll take your question after this. Just hang on. I'll take your question after this. So the relationship guidance for you is that be stand with your partner, lend your hand, and then you see how the things improves into the relationship. So this is the time to trust your partner, trust your own job in the next week, and with that these two things will help you in your healing you emotionally. So this is the health card for you. Okay. So that means these two things, if you practice the healing, it will give you the self fulfillment. Okay. It will keep your mind and your entire body as a calm, as a normal. So this will be like auto healing. So with that, we have come to the end of today's session of the weekly guidance to all the sun signs. Now I have committed to Ritika to take one question. So I'll take. Thank you, Ritika, for being here. So let's see what is the guidance. Okay, how will be my relationship with my parent after your marriage with Amit? Okay. Okay. All right. Let's see what is the how the relationship will be with Ritika's parent. Ritika ji, the card for you is the relationship after your marriage with Amit. Okay, uh, because of your choice as a love marriage. The card as the first card come as a possibility card. Okay, so this card indicates that they will hold on to uh, like they might become bit rigid, okay, because you are seeing these mountains here, okay. They might become bit rigid because शायद आपने उनकी आप जैसा बता रही हैं कि उनका I mean they are not very supportive, so वो emotionally they might even become like more rigid. Okay, ठीक है, uh, let her do what she has done. Okay, but eventually after some time, okay, they will realize that it's okay and they will accept it. And as per the card guidance, because the celebration card has come and this water indicates that all that the resistance what they had here will start melting down after some time. Okay, and the third card which has come for you is the traveling card. Okay, that means initially they may not be very clear कि हमको क्या करना है, but eventually once the journey starts, like from the possibility to the celebration, they will eventually going to accept this uh, as per the card guidance. Okay, and they might even the support the clarification I've got is that they might even let go it after some time. I have not any time frame, but this is as per the current energy, the card guidance for you. Okay, you can make your own choice. So with that, जनरल रीडिंग क्या कर सकते हैं आपके लिए? ओके, यमुना काबिल. ओके, यमुना काबिल, आपने लाइक एंड हैव यू लाइक्ड एंड शेयर्ड दिस वीडियो एज वेल? Okay, let's see what is the last question for today. I'm taking with for Yamuna Yaki. What is the general guidance? Okay, general guidance आपके लिए यह है. Thank you, Ritika. I wish you all the very best. Uh, Yumna Kabil. Okay. For you, the guidance is the stress card. Okay, that means uh, you are dealing with so many things, hundreds of things, or and you think that without you, the things will not move. So many of the things which you are doing, assuming that without you, those things will not move. Stop doing that. Okay, because it is impacting your mental health specifically. Okay, and of course physically you are getting tired. So please थोड़ा stress कम करिए, reduce your stress, reduce your responsibilities, involve some other people to to take certain additional responsibilities. Don't try to do everything of your own. So that is the guidance for you, the general guidance. So with that, we have come to the end of today's session, and again I am reminding for everyone that if you'd like to enroll for the introductory session on Sunday, and if you'd like to learn this amazing Osho Zen tarot cards and get abundance, this is the card which has come. So you can just send me a WhatsApp on the link given in this description box, and with your name and your city name, and then I'll invite you for the session, okay, on Sunday, 6 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. All right, and this is completely free session on Sunday. So just send me a WhatsApp and to enroll for the webinar. Okay, so with that, I appreciate everyone's time for liking, sharing, following me, for everything what you did today, and of course your valuable time which you have given to me. Thank you so much.